my channel, Linda Blinks and Things, and in this video here I will be decorating for Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to you and yours, no matter if it's a grandma, a teacher, a auntie, anybody who you consider an inspiration in your life to be a mom or takes on that mom role. Happy Mother's Day to you and yours. I hope you have a safe one and enjoy. So this video will be about kitchen refresh. So it's gonna be a spring summer video. So this will be my first one that I'm doing this year in the kitchen area. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me. That's the most importantly. Follow me. Tell a friend to come over to see what the video is about. And also we'll be using the colors pink and gold, along with Glam, of course. Always Glam. It's always Glam. So without further ado, we're going to get into this video, and we're going to see what this video is about. And don't forget to put in the comments down below. Let me know how you liked the video and how it turned out. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. I want to tell you exactly where I purchased all these items from. These are the items that I will be using in this video here. I'm going to start off in the back. So I purchased this pear from Burlington years ago. It's a crystal pear. Also, this bow vase here from Burlington this year. These towels right here with the bow on it, they're so gorgeous. I got those from TJ Maxx, along with these bow candle holders here. They're in previous videos. I use them. I also got those from Marshalls. These candles here with the bow on it. Let me go up to the top. These, I purchased those from Aldi's during Valentine's Day. This butterfly here is from the Dollar Tree. This pretty mom mug here, it's from Burlington this year, along with this pear, which is pink. The leaves are white with the gold painting going down. Those I got from Burlington this year as well. These Tweety Birdies here, they are flops. I got them from the Dollar Tree this year. This here, this candle, which is just so pretty. Bow candle. This, I purchased this from Aldi's this year. This mom sign is from Burlington this year. This butterfly here, this is going to be my splash of gold. This is actually from the Dollar Tree, from the garden section. I just went ahead and spray painted it and like did a little DIY. I put the Mod Podge end or the glue, whichever one you prefer if you want to try this out. And I put the glitter right over it with the bling going down. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree. These beautiful bouquet of flowers here, I purchased these from Michael's, I think last year. And this, I guess you can call it a charcuterie board here. I actually got this from Burlington as well. So these are all the items that I'm going to be using in my video. So let's get into this video, guys, because Mother's Day is right here. Shout out to me. Okay. All right, you guys. Peace. Let's get started on the video. slippers and socks, my people. So I'm gonna be putting my pink photo here. Put one here. And the other one is gonna go right on the right side of it. I like to just make one, like, not really have it so even, because when it drops down, you'll see that the bottom seam like it'll be a tad bit longer. I just like to put the front just a tad bit over the back of it. And then with these two towels here, I just got these from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna make a bow. So basically you just fold this in fours. Just fold it in twos, and you're gonna fold it in fours here like that. And then I'm gonna just fold it over. It should be here and here, like that. Here. And then I'm gonna take my other one, and I am going to fold this one in same 3 and then 4. Just like so. And be like this. And then I'm just going to